What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Mustang Nation. I'm Adam, and this is just a really quick video to share with you kind of a cool product and a cool resource if you're into SVT cars like my 2004 Terminator Cobra. Now, if you're like me and your Cobra still wears the stock Eaton supercharger, whether it's stock or ported, here's kind of a cool product that you can get. Right on the very top here, where somebody like Steggy would put a little medallion, you can see that I have an SVT badge that shows that it's a 2004 Terminator Cobra. It's not anything gaudy, but it's kind of cool, and things like this are available at the SVT Store. Now, if you've ever heard of the SVT Store, it's a really cool place for SVT enthusiasts, aficionados, if you will. How do you like that word? Whether you're into Cobras, Lightnings, I don't know, Focus maybe, whatever. It's pretty much anything for SVT. They might also have limited edition things for like Bullets and Machs and Shelbys. I'm not 100%, but I will leave a link down in the description where you can check out some of their products. And this medallion was fairly inexpensive. I think it was about $7, $8. Installation is super simple, just some 3M double stick tape, and I have a little bit of video of me removing the tape backing and installing it. There really isn't much to it. You simply just place it right in this recessed area right on top of the Eaton, and it's good to go. I do like the way it has kind of an OEM look to it, plus it's old school. I mean, SVT Store also makes those little plaques that you can place right here on the radiator cover or in front of the shifter bezel area, which mine actually had one with my buddy's name who owned this car, 2 owners before me, which I gave back to him. But I do remember in the mid to late 2000s when a lot of people had those plaques on their car. They also have posters and stuff. Now listen, I'm not affiliated with SVT Store. I just think it's kind of a cool resource for people who are into the Mustangs, into the SVT, where you can get kind of cool stuff for this car or, you know, for your garage. So I'll put a link in the description, but yeah, I just wanted to point that out. And if you're looking for some cool stuff, definitely check out SVT Store. I don't know if they're affiliated with Ford per se. I don't believe they are, but they do have some cool stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.